I received these survival garden seeds as a gift, and in the video, I'm showing different seed packets that were sent. The first one is the edible sunflower seed collection, which actually comes with two separate packets that are sold together. The varieties included are Mammoth and Black Russian, and both are heirloom non-GMO sunflower seeds. These are known for producing really large sunflowers, and they can be grown both for their beautiful flowers and for their edible sunflower seeds. The next packet is a cut flower and wildflower seed mix. This mix is designed to grow a variety of flowers that you can plant in your garden and use for bouquets or just enjoy as colorful flowers for your garden space. A mix like this is nice because you get multiple different flowers growing together instead of just one type. The third packet is Swiss Giant Mix pansy seeds. These are heirloom pansies that produce large, beautiful blooms that are also considered edible flowers, which some people like to use for decorating desserts or adding to salads. Each packet also includes instructions for planting and growing, which is really helpful if you're starting these for the first time or just want a little guidance on when and how to plant them. Right now, I'm just showing the seeds because I can't plant them yet. Here in Oregon, it's still pretty cold, so it's not quite warm enough to start planting these outdoors. But once the weather warms up and spring planting season gets going, I'm definitely looking forward to getting these planted and seeing how well they grow in the garden. Overall, this was a really nice gift, especially for anyone who enjoys gardening. It's a great mix of sunflowers, wildflowers, and pansies that should make a beautiful garden once the weather warms up.